Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Mobox Marketplace. The Mobox NFT Marketplace is a decentralized exchange where users can buy and sell MOMO NFTs and other NFTs assets like mystery boxes, MCs, gems. It uses smart contracts optimized to make trading efficient and reduces gas fees. First, open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top address bar, type down mobox.io and enter it over here. And once you reach into this Mobox interface, what you can do is in the top right we can find this wallets here. I can select to this wallet here, and over here you can connect to any of the wallet, example Binance Smart Chain or MetaMask or Mbox as well. If you want to go to this MetaMask, you can select this the box here, and you can connect wallet in the top right and select MetaMask here, and you can simply scan to your mobile app and switch your wallet to the MetaMask and find the marketplace. Depending on the UI version, the marketplace may appear as NFT Marketplace, Trade Exchange inside the Momoverse section. Once you locate it, you can enter the NFT trading space. You can also buy the NFT, you can sell the NFT, and you can use the order book features as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.